You having fun? Now you're hamming it up, aren't you?
Sadie Radwini is 9 months old today. She's getting used to her surroundings while her parents get used to her.
It's the most fulfilling experience I've ever had in my life, you know, just having another little person look up at you and smile. Yeah.
As a WCCO web producer, Sadie's dad, Sam, plays the role of working man.
We have liftoff.
And family man. He and his wife aren't ready for baby number 2 quite yet.
I mean, we definitely want more kids one day, but she's plenty to handle for us right now.
Which is why he'd consider another option for family planning, a male birth control pill.
Anything that a guy can do that, you know, could maybe shift the responsibility a little bit, I'm all for that.
Dr. Gunda Georg thinks she has what men like Sam are looking for.
This one seems to be sort of one of the most advanced and maybe most promising projects that we have right now.
She's talking about a pill that renders sperm temporarily ineffective. Georg is part of a mostly female team of chemists that has reached halfway around the world for a plant poison that could be a contraceptive game changer.
In small doses, it is actually can be quite good and regulate heart function, but in high doses, it will basically, I guess, can kill somebody.
African warriors put wabane on darts to kill animals, but the research team took out that toxin, chemically altered the plant, and tested it on mice.
And observed that these mice had sperm, normal sperm more or less, but the sperm did not move.
Paralyzed sperm can't fertilize an egg. The discovery is so groundbreaking it made the front page of the scientific journal.
Well, but to have it finally be closer, I think is really, really important and really exciting.
Dr. Dominique Tobel is a medicinal historian at the U of M. She says because the drug industry already has effective options for women, it's underestimated interest in a pill for men.
The majority said, I think it's like 80%, close to 90%, who said they were interested, they were willing to use it. So there definitely is clear signs that there's demand there.
But time and money are obstacles. A clinical trial and other costs could total well over $1 million, meaning it could be 5 years before you researchers get that far. Still, there's hope for men.
I think younger guys, you know, if we want to wait a little while, we just want to be in control of it, we can definitely take that.
And for chemists, hoping to deliver a new option.
So far, so good, and that's why we're pretty excited about the whole thing.
John Lauritsen, WCCO 4 News.
A clinical trial would identify any side effects from the male pill. It would then need FDA approval. All that means it could be 5 to 10 years before it's commercially available. You researchers believe men who don't want vasectomies would also be interested in that pill.